Hello and welcome to the Herbs with Rosalee podcast, a show exploring how herbs heal as medicine, as food, and through nature connection. I'm your host, Rosalee de la Forêt. I created this YouTube channel to share trusted herbal wisdom so that you can get the best results when relying on herbs for your health. I love offering up practical knowledge to help you dive deeper into the world of medicinal plants and seasonal living. Each episode of the Herbs with Rosalee podcast is shared on YouTube as well as your favorite podcast app. Transcripts and recipes for each episode can be found at herbswithrosaleepodcast.com or through the link in the video description. Also in the video description, you'll find other helpful resources. For example, to get my best herbal tips, as well as fun bonuses, be sure to sign up for my weekly herbal newsletter. Okay, grab your cup of tea and let's dive in. Hey, Rosalee here. Getting sick with a cold or flu or other respiratory virus sucks. You feel like crap, you can't keep up with responsibilities, and if you're not prepared, you have to rely on over-the-counter medications which often suppress symptoms without actually healing you. Well, in place of a podcast this week, I'm hosting an entire webinar for you all about working with herbs during the cold and flu season. In this webinar, we'll look at the 5 powerful herbs that can support you and your loved ones when you're dealing with common symptoms like coughs, sore throats, fevers, congestions, and more. Oh, I'll also cover prevention. But I won't just be giving you overwhelming lists of herbs. Instead, I'll show you how to think about these plants energetically, which is key to choosing the right herb at the right time. I'll also share dosage and preparation strategies, which is essential knowledge for actually getting results with herbs. In other words, this isn't just about sharing some facts that you may remember one day and then forget tomorrow, but it's about empowering you with skills to think about herbs in a holistic, energetic way. To register for this free event, click the link in the show notes. There you can find all the details about when and how to watch and to save your spot. It's only available for the next couple of days, so check it out now. Another important thing to know is that we are in the final days of enrolling my brand new Herbal Energetics course. This is the course for you if you're ready to overcome overwhelm and confusion and finally truly feel like you're an herbalist. This online course has many live components, which means that you'll be learning in a supportive community. I do all my main courses like this because I know it will dramatically propel your success. It also means that we'll be having a lot of fun together. You'll be building your skills as an herbalist, gaining confidence, and stepping into the role of an herbalist for your community. Because this is the very first enrollment of the Herbal Energetics course, I'm offering it at a special discount. It will never be this low again. You'll also be getting lifetime access so you can refer to the materials again and again. You can get all the details at herbalenergeticscourse.com or use the link in the show notes. Enrollment closes on September 28th at 5 p.m. And as soon as you enroll, you'll get access to the introductory module, and then live classes start mid-October. I'm really excited to dive into this course with you. I deeply believe that this world needs more herbalists and plant-centered folks, and I'm so glad that you're here as part of this herbal community. Also, a big round of thanks to the people all over the world who make this podcast happen week to week. Nicole Paul is the project manager who oversees the whole operation, from guest outreach to writing show notes to actually uploading each episode and so many other things I don't even know. She really holds this whole thing together. Francesca is our fabulous video and audio editor. She not only makes listening more pleasant, she also adds beauty to the YouTube videos with plant images and video overlays. Tatiana Rusikova is the botanical illustrator who creates gorgeous plant and recipe illustrations for us. I love them. I know that you do too. Christy edits the recipe cards, and then Jenny creates them as well as the thumbnail images for YouTube. Alex is our tech support and social media manager, and Karen and Emily are our student services coordinators and community support. For those of you who like to read along, Jennifer is who creates the transcripts for us each week. Xavier, my handsome French husband, is the cameraman and website IT guy. It takes an herbal village to make it all happen, including you. Okay, you've lasted to the very end of the show, which means you get a gold star and this herbal tidbit. All right, so I'm standing here in the garden, which I love to do for all of you. And on this side, I have these beautiful little scarlet runner beans. I got the big pods, the pretty flowers. Hummingbirds love them. To my right, which you can't see, is the other side of the arch, which has Cotinopsis climbing above it. And the Cotinopsis flowers, these beautiful bell flowers, I don't know what it is about them, but yellow jackets love these flowers. So I'm trying to give you all my attention while, of course, I have all these yellow jackets just going busy over here. Luckily, they care about the flowers more than me, but exciting times filming in the garden.